that I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on the or the tire pressure sensor battery. So here is that's what we're going to do today. Replacing the battery is not that difficult. All you need to do is so this is the original Toyota sensor. It's the TRW. So what do you do is in the back here, and also you need this battery right here. I will have this on the link on my video description, so you can buy it. It's a CR2450HR. This is what you need right here. And for the sensor, all you need to do is you have to pry this open. Just use a knife, pry it open. I already did half of it, so but if you want to pry this out, just take time, okay? So be patient with it, take time, and it should able to come out. So that's exactly what you want to do right there. Just like that. So now take out your soldering gun. Nice and clean. Alright, so basically you are done.